In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Asana projects using custom fields. This is a great way to enhance the efficiency and clarity of your team's work. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Asana website. Open up your browser and head over to asana.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. On the login page, enter your email address in the field provided. If you're like most people, you probably have a few email addresses, so make sure you're using the one associated with your Asana account. After entering your email, you'll click on the Continue button. It's a straightforward process, just like logging into any other account online. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, this is standard procedure. Type in your secure password, and then hit the login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your Asana homepage. This is the main gateway to all of your projects and tasks. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Asana. Now locate the project you want to work with, browse through your list of projects until you find it, and click to open it. Once you are in the project, take a look around. You'll see several options and tabs. Look for the Customize button, which is usually found in the upper area of your project page. Clicking Customize opens up a menu where you can add a variety of features to tailor the project to your needs. In the Customize menu, look for the Field section. This is where you can manage and create custom fields for your project. To add a new custom field, you'll click on Create New. This allows you to add a custom field tailored specifically to your project needs. Enter a title for your field in the pop-up window. The title should be descriptive and relevant to its function for easy identification. Once you've typed in your field title, press the Create Field button to finalize its addition to the project. It's that simple. You should see the new field appear alongside your tasks, allowing you to organize and sort work more effectively. Remember, using custom fields can significantly streamline your project management, helping your team stay on track with tasks. Exploring further, take advantage of more advanced features. By clicking Customize again, you can connect custom fields using forms, create automated rules, and explore other advanced options that Asana offers. These tools are great for fine-tuning your workflow and can dramatically improve team productivity. That wraps up today's tutorial on organizing your Asana projects with custom fields. Make sure to explore these features and see how they can benefit your workflow. Thanks for watching.